as we talked about on our last video, I've gotten this engine back from the machine shop. So now we got to start getting it ready to do the assembly. So the first thing that you should do is chase the threads on the bolts. So the first thing I'm going to do is chase the bolts for the heads. So I have this thread chaser set here, and I know that the heads is 7/16. So I got me a 7/16 inch thread chaser. And the difference between a thread chaser and a die is that these cuts in the bolt here, I guess you could call it, is not as deep and they're not as sharp, and they won't cut. All they do is reshape the threads of the in the hole if it needs to be. So let me get around here. And we got a catalyst here, so he may come in the video in a minute. I hope he doesn't come tumbling down. Where you at?
He's right there.
Oh yeah, I see some dirty stuff coming out. Yeah. Yeah. Did all the 7/16 inch head bolt holes. Now I'm doing the 1/4 inch holes. The 1/4 inch hose is what holds the valley pan in place. Need a different size wrench. Finished chasing the threads on this side. We're going to flip it over and go to the other side. To the bottom of the engine. Alright, now what I'm going to do is spray a little bit of carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner in here. I got both here. All right.
Time for some more threading.
Yeah, that's...
Okay, here's the cat that he wanted me to show y'all. Just showing y'all. Inky is what we call him. Y'all seen him last video, or y'all heard him last video. Yeah. So, yeah. Just want to show y'all that.
Now what I'm going to do is remove these caps off the mains and chase these threads. They should be all right. We put these in there and took the bolts off. They had the caps on it that came from the machine shop. They had tightened them down and everything, and they checked the clearances between the bearings and the crank to make sure it was right. Rather than using the tape, the little plastic tape measuring method, the way they did it, they torqued the caps down with the bearings in it, and then they measured the opening for the bearings, and then they measured the diameter of the crankshaft. So then they took a little bit off the crankshaft journal, sent it to where you have the manufacturer's clearance. Here we go again with these boats.
Did it spray your face? You see, they got slag all around these openings here. This is where the oil drains back down to the oil pan, and I'm gonna grind all that and make it smooth. You don't have to do that. It just bothers me every time I look in there and see it that it's rough. So I'm gonna grind that down real quick. Shouldn't take long. This is, we're getting ready now to start our cleaning on the engine, and this is just some of the stuff that I've got to clean it with. They give you a whole list of stuff on the internet to use and all that, but what I have is I have some carburetor cleaner, I have some brake cleaner, I have some denatured alcohol, I have some Fantastic, and then I have an assortment of brushes over here, some metal, some nylon, and just I don't really know what all I need, but I got some. This right here was a engine cleaning kit from Harbor Freight. It had the brushes in it, nylon brushes, all different sizes to get into the different galleys and oil galleys and waterways. Now I've looked in my engine pretty good with a scope, or camera rather, that I have, and all the water passages look real clean inside. I was really surprised. But we're going to go ahead and run a brush through everything and see what we can do. So here we go. I think I'll spray it down with some of this here denatured alcohol first. Spraying it down with this brake cleaner here, see.
Alright, we're going to go up to the oil hose here in the block, down to the cam. I got the cam bearings in there, so I want to be careful. A lot of stuff coming out.
Is that good or bad?
That's what we're doing. Let's see.
Giving y'all a more close-up view. Come back down the other side. The brush is getting dirty.
Yeah, just cleaning some stuff. Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah, we're gonna do it several times, but that's all we do. Well, you can see stuff coming off the side. Little trash. Looking good. One other side. I'll go this way.
spraying me a little bit.
Yeah, me too. Trying to get over here. Sure looking pretty in there.
Mm-hmm. Can't wait till we paint it and then it'll look real good.
Mm-hmm.
What are we gonna do next?
And just do out here some. Over on top. Back up.
Well, that stuff doesn't smell good.
Yes. Carburetor cleaner. Brake fluid cleaner. Back up. What is down there? Let me get.
Hard to get down there.
Yeah, hold on. Yep.
It's probably gonna be the hardest one to clean.
That goes down to the camshaft.
Hmm. Going to this side now. How much of the stuff are you gonna have to spray on there?
I don't know, about 11 cans.
Oh, that's probably good because you're already using a lot just for this top part.
Back up.
Look at all the stuff dripping off. Are we gonna do the bottom now?
I'm gonna do the outside right here.
Oh, okay.
Now this number right here, that's my serial number here. And it matches my car. The window tag and the fender tag. Go get me 2 more cans.
Turning it over. Let me get that for you. Here. Now we don't have to turn the camera around.
Okay. H-O, what is that?
You can see it all that rust or whatever it is falling off.
What is this right here? What initial is that? Let's see it. We look here. H-O, Ho. I don't know what that.
Here, I can come help you. Ooh, real dirty.
How we wash them out with the rags and soapy water. Show down in there how good those cylinders look.
Look real nice and clean.
Mm-hmm. Getting some flash rust on everything else, so that's pretty clean too.
Yeah. Over here. So give me a scale from 1 to 10. From 10 being your finish and from 1 being your not done. What are you about at for clean?
I think we're about there.
So like a 9?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to clean the ends, those passages anymore. I want to go back and forth through these ones right here.
So you want to do that?
They don't put the plugs in there. But these right here, these are clean. The lifters, they all look good. Show down in there to them.
Like down here?
And then those holes right there.
And
Those
what
big
holes?
ones.
These?
Yeah.
Try and get the focus for y'all. Yeah. It's looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Now this hole right here, what is this for?
Water.
Okay. So that you don't really need to clean?
Well, I've done cleaned that already with the
Okay,
another
okay,
brush.
yeah,
And
yeah.
all. Come over here and shine in them. How shiny they are.
Yeah, these are real shiny. They look good. Just doing the last finishing touches, and then we get the paint. And tell them what color that you're gonna paint it.
Give me orange. That's the color it came. Alright. Let's see if we can get it back in the shop. I don't want it to run down the box. So. Good. I'm not going to paint the valley, so
You're not gonna paint the what?
the valley right there.
Oh, okay.
Alright. That'll be good enough.
Down.
It's running. Block up. If there's any oil on here, it'll get rid of it. But I don't think there's any. going to give it a little coat of primer here. Just a light coat.
Almost looks like you just painted it gray. How long does it take for the primer to dry for you to?
About 15 minutes.
Okay.
Then the block was warm.
Are you gonna help dry it by the blowtorch?
No, not that. It'll burn it off.
Oh, okay. So,
Could turn it around and do the other side.
yeah, that'll make time go by more faster. Wait, don't forget me to cover this little up right there. Here, I'll get the small roll of tape.
What's that? What you
Okay.
gonna do?
I'm just
I'm gonna
gonna
cover that up. Look,
Yeah.
look, oh yeah, right there. Look, get it.
Yeah.
All right. Then
I'll
take
get
this one
little
here.
spots. Here,
Yeah.
where?
Take that.
Just a little bit right here. Whoop. That was good of me.
We won't find that one now. Huh?
Alright. There we go. We have that covered up now. What else do we need to be
That's all.
covered up? That's it?
Let me heat this over here now.
What about this right there?
No, it's good. It's not machined. Just the stuff that's machined. All right.
hot?
It's just warm, not hot.
You think the primer's good on the other side?
Huh?
You think the primer's good on the other side?
It'll be about ready to paint when I get this done.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the primer on this side.
Huh?
Now we're gonna do the primer on this side, right?
Right.
Alright.
All right, this is the primer that we're using. I don't know how good this stuff is, but we're trying it for. But you got it focused?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get it up here.
Hey, wait, before you finish, do you need any of it to be right down there? With the
What?
tape?
No, no.
Okay.
I'm shooting from up here. It won't get down
Okay.
there. Yeah.
No, wait, there's that right there.
Huh?
Part of this right there. Alright, is it ready to paint for the other side?
Yeah, we don't think that's.
Starting to look good.
I'll let that set a minute.
Okay. First coat done.
Yeah, just. My cameraman run off, so I'm doing it myself. Said my cameraman run off, so I'm trying to do it myself.
Mm.
All right, put it. Let it keep going. Just put it over here. Put it back over there.
Is that side dry now?
Huh? No, it's
Is
not.
it-
Oh, this is?
Yeah. How's the other side look?
Not as orangey as I thought it was going to look, but I guess it's okay.
That looks good. It probably would have looked more orangey If he wouldn't have put the primer on.
No.
It was good.
Going?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we can cut it off. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed what you've been seeing so far. We're a little bit slow on our end, but we're working, trying to clean things up, keep things looking good. I think the cleaning job really looked good after I got through with it. I oiled it all down and everything, the cylinders, any machined areas, and really looks good and clean. So we're going to start probably Wednesday, putting the pistons in and crank in and start working on that. I got one of those cone ring compressors coming. It's been delayed, so it's supposed to be here Monday. So, and I got to go out of town for a funeral. So I'll be gone for a couple of days, and we'll get back on it as soon as we get back. And I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. And we'll talk to you later. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we should have one of these videos coming out at least once a week. Talk to you later. Bye.